Hi everyone, so the first item that I got in this haul was this very Louis Vuitton inspired bag. Now I've been looking for a brown textured bag for a while. I really love all the suede materials that are out at the moment, so I just thought this would be a really good item to have in the wardrobe. It's a nice size, it could fit your phone and any cards, but it's not too big either, and it is finished off with the gold hardware, as you can see. Now I've had bags from TEMU and they've been a little bit hit and miss. Sometimes they've really looked and felt cheap and plasticky. I would say that this one doesn't. It's actually really nice quality. The strap it's not too shiny or anything. Excuse my nails as well, I have not had time to sort them out, so they're a bit chipped, but it's not shiny. It doesn't look particularly cheap. This was only £8 though. So it comes with a little strap like this, and then I've also just hooked this one on as well, but you can remove the bigger strap. And I just thought that was absolutely gorgeous for an everyday bag, because my Ted Baker one that I use all the time has broken, like the clip has broken, and I have been making do with that for a while, and I think this would just smarten up any outfit. And then inside what you've got is a zip compartment in the middle here, and then two smaller compartments. So yeah, just a really nice bag if you're just like popping out to the shops, you just want to throw your phone and keys in and smarten up your outfit. This is going to look nice, and I think it is one of those bags that you could wear more smartly or more chill. So for example, even if you're going for like a night out or going for like drinks in the evening, this bag is still going to look nice. And then talking of bags, we've got a bit of an Hermes dupe here, and it is this one. So I wanted to choose between the two, but now they've come, I can't decide which one I like better. This one is slightly bigger than that one. And this one is slightly, I suppose, a lighter brown shade, but just look at it, it is finished off so well. Now this was like 12 or 13 pounds. Again, finished off with the nice gold hardware, looks really nice at the back. They've got the suede at the back again, and they've got the zip pocket. Now on the inside of this one, you do get a longer strap, again finished with the nice gold hardware, and it matches perfectly with the bag. And then on the inside, it's finished off really nicely. It's got kind of like this herringbone style fabric, and it's got a zip compartment and a bigger one. And again, I just thought that was perfect for both in the day or in the evening. I think that one might be a little bit more versatile than this one, but how gorgeous is that? And that's a really nice office bag. So if you carry like a laptop bag and you have a handbag, this is a nice one to carry to the office as well. And it feels really sturdy actually. It feels like it's really well made for £13. So I'm really happy with those. Now, I do apologise, I wish I could have bought this haul to you a bit sooner. My plan was to do this at the start of December for gifts, but it took a little bit longer to get here than normal. So I've only not long had this order. So I'll show you the next one. So it's a bit of a white company dupe, this one, and this is more of like a Christmas one, but a lot of the stuff in here obviously you can just buy at any time of year. And it is this pearlescent wrapping paper. So I noticed they've gone for like a nice pearly wrapping paper, and this was only £3 on Temu. I mean, I don't think there is actually loads of this, to be fair. So I'm going to do a mixture of like the pearlescent and brown paper, because I do love a bit of brown paper. And on the white company, they'd been putting a brown ribbon around it. Oh my goodness. If I've got some pictures, I'll put some here. This was like £2. No, it wasn't even that. I think it was like £1.60 or something on Temu. You get loads of the brown ribbon, and so much cheaper than going somewhere like the white company to pay for it as well, but you'll still get the same effect. And at the end of the day, with wrapping paper, you take it off and throw it in the bin, so, or recycle it or whatever. So definitely not worth paying like £20 or whatever for a roll of ribbon, or to be honest, anywhere upwards of a £5. So yeah, £1.60 really good. So I feel like presents can look very classy wrap like that. Then talking of the white company, I noticed that they had some really gorgeous grey gingham pyjamas, but again, if you're on a budget and you don't want to spend that much, Temu have got a really good dupe. So the ones from Temu are going to be a bit thinner. Admittedly, I would say that these ones feel a little bit more of a summer weight pyjama, but if you're somebody who gets particularly warm at night, these might be a nice option for you. And look at these gorgeous grey gingham. They've got the piping around the edges. Now I thought this was going to be black on the picture, but it's actually like a dark grey, which I think looks much nicer because it's not as dark. So they are long sleeved. You can see even finished off nicely around the sleeves, and then the bottoms again just like the wide leg comfy style bottoms, and they've even got that finish on the bottom, and these were about £8 off Temu. So you are going to save yourself so much money but get that same effect as well. Or how nice these would look in like a little hamper basket for somebody, and it would kind of really like bulk it out, but only for £8. So yeah, absolute bargain for those. I feel like everybody and their mother has these, but I had to pick them up because they look so comfy and warm, and they are these UGG style slippers. So these are like the big chunky ones, so they're a little bit squashed because they've been in the bag, but they've got a little home bit here. They've got really lovely fur around the outside, and then that goes, well, it doesn't go into the middle of the fur, but it's got like that sheep shear sort of fur look here. And these were like a £5, and they are sturdy and will definitely last you until next winter. And I just thought these are just perfect for this time of year. We've got ceramic tiles downstairs, and they get so cold. I'll tell you what, having these thick soles, it's not going to get to my feet with those. So yeah, for £5, again, if you wanted to put them in a little hamper or something, that would be really lovely. And I really love the colour. Obviously they had lots of different colours, but I do like, even when I'm chilling at home, I like my outfits to match, so I thought this was the colour that would probably go with the most. And I must say they feel super soft as well. Now, you know me, I have been loving those Ralph Lauren jumpers, Ralph Lauren jumpers with the teddy on. So I thought, let's have a look on TEMU to see what they've got. And they literally have these cute jumpers. This was about £15. Went for the beige colour, and it's got this teddy on that's like in, it's almost like little school uniform, I suppose, with the little shoes on and everything. Very similar to the Ralph Lauren ones. You can get these also in Marks and Spencer, I noticed last time I went in as well. This feels really lovely and soft. And I just thought, you know, like school run pair of jeans, this looks really nice. And I do love teddies, but my youngest has a bit of a thing for bears. I've said this before, particularly brown bears, so I'm a little bit biased. And I thought this is just like nice, or even just chilling around the house, jumper like this, just be so cozy over the festive season. So yeah, I'm not sure if they've got an option on TEMU where you can do express delivery. Hopefully they have. What I'd say about this one is, and because it is a bit of a cheaper jumper, it feels a little bit rougher on the inside, so I would say if you are particularly sensitive to materials, this might be a little bit rough for you, but if you're fine, it'll be okay. It's not itchy or anything, but you would probably need a base layer underneath this, but it certainly gives you that Ralph Lauren look for £15. So I've never tried any sort of beauty things off TEMU, and I really love the Miss Dior scent. Now, I do not buy that for myself. I don't even ask for it on my Christmas wish list, because I personally cannot justify spending that much money on something that you just spray and it disappears. It literally just feels like you're spraying away your money. So I saw this one on TEMU, and I was sort of searching for the undertones of that perfume, the scents in that perfume, and this is the one that come up. Now, the packaging on the outside isn't very similar. However, when you open it up on the inside, can you see this is very close to the Miss Dior bottle? So I thought, you know what, I'm going to give this a go. This was £4, by the way. Like I said, I've never had any, oh dear. Just bear in mind, if you are going to buy that as a gift though, that bow is not very strong. That's already popped off. So I would probably say, if you can, try and open it and stick this bow back on, because that has just fell off. But look how similar that is to the Miss Dior. And the bow has fell off again. Okay, well that's what you get for £4. What do we expect? But anyway, it's more about the scent. So I do have the Miss Dior. Somebody did buy it for me, but like I say, I do not put it on my wish list because I don't want anybody buying it for me because it's so expensive. So I use it very sparingly. So let's see what this smells like. Oh my God, that's actually pretty close. Oh my God, I'm actually shocked with how close that is. It's not exactly the same, but it certainly gives the, oh, that is very surprising. So even if Miss Dior is not your thing, and you have to be really careful on TEMU about dupes, so you can't just put in like Dior dupe or anything, nothing comes up. So what I would suggest is go onto Google, have a look for the undertones of the perfumes that you like, or even ask ChatGPT what to type in to TEMU to get the product that you want. And yeah, have a look. If you're somebody who likes your perfumes but is like me and is somebody who doesn't want to spend money on something that you're literally spraying away, then yeah, wow, that's impressive. And this is in a really nice bottle as well. I know the bows fell off, but the bottle itself is very nice. What I will say is the lid doesn't particularly fit great, but once it's on, yeah, it does look nice, and it looks much more expensive. So actually, with this, if you was going to gift it, because I think this packaging looks cheap, I would actually recommend taking it out of the packaging, stick the bow on or get another bow and wrap around it and then pop it in a little hamper or pop it in your own little box, and that would look absolutely gorgeous, and then nobody will know how much it is. So yeah, I'm very intrigued to see if that will last all day, because that is a really strong smell as well. I am very impressed by that. So yeah, I'll definitely be buying some more perfumes off TEMU. And that was it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I think this might be my last video before Christmas, so have a fabulous Christmas, and I will see you. I might try and do a video before the new year, we'll see, but if I don't, have a wonderful Christmas and new year, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.